Figured I'd drop a little video on some of my favorite stuff to cook on my Blackstone, whether I'm camping or at the camping. Just cut some fries up, soak them in water with some seasoning salt for about an hour. I gotta let all these get done cooking, which take a little while. I like the Blackstone because everything gets done at once. Now here, after about 5 minutes, you can see we're starting to get some of these going brown. So that's a good sign. That's what I'm looking for. Put my burgers on. Didn't have time to really season them. I'm doing green beans. I'm gonna keep it real simple. I'm gonna let those get just a little bit more brown. And then I'm gonna throw my burgers on. And when they're done, I'm gonna throw my green beans on and see how this turns out. And while we wait, we hydrate. There shouldn't be no time now. There we go. Now that I've got them getting where I want them, I think I can put them to the sides. I just got a little one. I take this one camping with me sometimes ago. I put them to the side because I don't want them to keep continuing to cook a whole lot. And then I'm gonna drop some burgers. I got the top seasoned. I didn't have a lot of time to prep, so then they're half frozen. There we got the burgers continuing to cook pretty good. Getting nice and brown for our fries. And now we did the old flip-a-roo on the burgers. And I'd seasoned that other side already, but I hit off just a little bit more Dan-O's. Finish this delicious natural light, and we'll be ready to add the green beans. All right, there we go. We got the fries pretty much perfect. Time to add the green beans. These are just green beans, farmhouse cut. I drained them and rinsed them, and then I added some Dan-O's and some seasoning salt in them. And these won't take no time at all. Yeah, there's fish the skin thing out if I can. Oh, wow. That'll be just what I need to let a bear come in. I did block the grease trap in the back, just so I don't lose all these. But this will be pretty quick. It's usually, I'm gonna say it's a three beer cook. But I love it while camping, especially when it's cold out. And here we go. This is done. Easy. Green beans fried. Be delicious. The fries got perfect. The burgers got a little bit blacker than I wanted. It'll be delicious. All packaged up. We'll take it inside and eat. Bon appetit, or whatever they say. There we go. I'll catch y'all next video. It's time for me to dig in. See how it turns out. Some cheeseburger, fried green beans, and fried homemade French fries. I'm really excited.